Hello, my team. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new here, welcome to Ayuko Dee channel. On today's video, we are going to cook African food, and that is beans paste. I don't know if you've ever come across or if you've ever tasted them, but if so, kindly let me know at the comment section. So if you have not yet liked the video, kindly go ahead and give this video a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And don't forget to let me know what you think about today's video. So, into it. Our beans is well clean actually, and now that I don't want it to take a lot of time while cooking, I'm going to soak it for some hours, maybe 6 hours, 12 hours, the way you want. If you soak for the whole night, like for 12 hours, it will only take something like 1 hour to cook. So that is what I want to do right now. I want to add some water and soak it. This is how our beans now looks like after we have soaked it in the water. Remember, I soaked it for 12 hours, so we are cooking the next day morning. So I'm going to wash it for another last time and boil it. We are now lighting up the fire. Yeah. Oh my goodness. It's ready. Let us now separate the soup. This is how the soup looks like. Yeah. You're not supposed to pour away this soup because it is protein. Very healthy for our body. Ooh. My grandma used to tell me this story that long ago, when you're old enough and you want to get married, if you don't know how to cook this thing, you will be sent home. You know, like this was the examination to show if you are old enough to get married. So if you don't know how to cook this, you are sent back home to your mama. So Luya ladies used to try their best, like they should know how to cook this thing. And guys, here it depends how thick you want your paste to be. But mostly here in the village, we prefer lighter paste.